Alright, 1992 CB750 or the Nighthawk 750. We have the self-adjusting timing, which makes getting these guys lined up and on a royal pain in the ass. So what I've discovered, one bolt in the exhaust side, totally remove the adjuster nuts or bolts, put your cam holders on. Here's why this is important. Sometimes they're not lined up properly, so when you sit these cams back in here, they're sitting up in the air a little bit, which makes getting these on extremely difficult. I put the front one on first, the second one. I tried doing this without the cam holders on. Damn near impossible. Tried it, failed several times. Went looking for videos, didn't see anything. Figured I'd help somebody out. So, you put your cam holders back on. You got your one nut in up there. They tell you to do one nut at a time and rotate the engine. It's going to be fine. Once you get the whole thing done, scared to do it, but comes off, goes on, just like that. Once you have the cam holders on and that adjuster loose down there, and you get your right amount of links across here, which, if you fucking don't know that, holy shit, I'll blurt that out. It's impossible. Let's count our links. We're going to go from EX to the intake mark here. And if you're like, hey, that's not the right cam, shut up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Editing may be involved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is that 20? Let's count again. I'm losing count because I'm going on the sides and I'm catching the ridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Alright, see, we did lose count last time. 18 links from the EX line to the intake line on the outside. That's the only lines I could find, because the inside guys, you want your intake lined up there and your exhaust lined up there. They're supposed to be at the top of the block. Pretty freaking close. Are they a little high? We'll see. But according to the manual, that's how that one's supposed to be. That's how that one's supposed to be. And everybody's going to bolt up. So after I get the tensioner on there, we'll see what happens. But I'm pretty sure that is about it.